Okay, so what's up with all this pigeon?
Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what you believe is you. Nobody's perfect, but we're perfect, that's the issue. All your hurts behind the curtains, that's a big truth. Things ain't what they seem. Be mindful of what you believe.
Today is Sunday, May 26, 2024. It is currently 5:22 local time. My name is Caleb. I'm a flight attendant based here in Montreal, Canada. If this is your first time watching my vlog, welcome. If you previously watched this vlog before, thank you so much for supporting me. I just came back from Barcelona 2 days ago. The view of Barcelona from my hotel. And this is the hotel. Don't mind my messy bed. It's a nice hotel. And this is the bathroom. Very nice mirror. We have the toilet, and that's about it. Hi guys, time for me to go downstairs to meet with my colleagues so we can drive to the airport. I have 1 day off, and then on Sunday I have a flight. I'm doing Montreal to Milan, Italy. I'm super excited. I'm hoping I will have more energy when I land in Milan to go out and explore, because I didn't get to explore Barcelona. I will catch up with you on the next clip. Too much for my trip in Barcelona because I was just too tired and jet lagged. But today is a brand new day. I am super excited. We are flying to Milan, Italy. It's my first time going to Milan, and we do it Montreal to Milan, currently showing 8 hours gate to gate. And that's about it. I'm excited. I wanted to come say a quick hi. I will catch up with you when I land safely tomorrow morning in Milan, Italy. Hi guys, it's over 8 hours later. Welcome to Milan, Italy. We're gonna do a quick room tour. It's my first time staying at this hotel. Little coffee table, little couch sitting section, the bed, the toilet, and shower. Very big tub.
One nap later.
Hi guys, it's currently 2:46 p.m. local time. Again, welcome to Milan, Italy. I just took a quick power nap for about 2.5 hours. Surprisingly, I am less tired from my Barcelona trip, but this trip, even though I am tired, I still want to go out and explore and show you a little bit of Milan. There is a cathedral that is about 3 kilometers of a walk from where I am. I know I can take the metro, Uber, whatever, but I want to walk, and just so I can see a little bit of what Milan feels like. And maybe on my way back, if I'm too tired, I will probably take the train or maybe take an Uber. I'm not sure yet. The flight Montreal to Milan, honestly, it was like a very easy flight. I really liked the passenger. It was my first time doing this flight, and I found the passengers, they were very nice, very polite, nothing to complain about, uneventful. And the crew, it was a good crew. So good overall flight, nothing to complain about. So that's it guys. I am good, I'm happy, I'm excited. Let's go out and see what Milan has to offer. Guys, I finally made it to Duomo. It's like a famous cathedral here in Milan, Italy. I've never seen so many pigeons in my life. I don't know what's the obsession, but wow. It is currently 4:37 local time, so I'm gonna make it my way. I don't know if the cathedral is closed or if you have to pay to go in, but either way, I'm just happy I was able to see it.